Let's now start off this bulletin by bringing you the coronavirus updates from the United States. In a rather grim record for the United States of America, it has now become the country with the most number of COVID-19 cases in the world. America has overtaken both China and Italy's infection tally to record more than 85,000 cases. But unlike in Italy and China, the fatality rate is much lower in the United States, with a little more than 1,200 deaths. The fatality rate is 1.4% in the US compared to Italy's 10% and China's 4%. But the surge in cases has overwhelmed the American health infrastructure. As of now, 40% of the American population is under a partial lockdown to contain this infection. Trump has attributed the high number of cases to America's rampant testing exercise. He also raised suspicions about the actual figures in China.
I think it's a tribute to testing. Number one, you don't know what the numbers are in China. China tells you numbers, and I'm speaking to President Xi tonight, I believe, and we'll have a good conversation, I'm sure.
The White House is planning to divide American countries into high-risk, medium-risk and low-risk categories. This classification is being touted as a form of targeted medical surveillance and testing. The new measure will probably be introduced next week when the 15-day social distancing restrictions expire. President Donald Trump and Xi Jinping are expected to discuss the outbreak over the phone in the next few hours. The two countries were largely non-confrontational during the virtual G20 summit. And Trump has scaled back on his Chinese virus comments, saying that if they feel so strongly about it, we'll see.